Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the credit system in Java. I created the credit system for student registration. Let's show the demo first. Here. Now I want to enter the new record of student registration. Here I am entering the first student name, student mobile number, something like that I'm giving here. Course I enter as a Java. Click add button. Record saved message will be successfully displayed. Click OK. Record will be successfully added into the database table, and I am retrieving from the database table here, and this will be the J table. We can show the records here, right? Now if you want to select the record, you can see the thing like this. If you click this row, you can see easily you can get the record like this. If you wish to delete the record, select the row which record you have to delete, and this record I am going to delete John, and click delete button. It asks the message, do you want to delete the record, confirmation message. If it is no, it's keep on the table. If it is yes, record has been deleted from the J table like this, right? Now if you wish to edit the record, if you click the record which you want to edit, and you have to change the course. I'm going to change the name course. This course I'm going to change the name. Java I'm going to change it as C#, and click edit button. Click OK. Here record will be successfully edited, right? This is done how to do step by step. Okay, the first step will create the database first. I am creating the database on mysql server. So let's go to the browser. This is the mysql server. I am going to create the database. So new. Here database name we have to give. I am going to give the database name as some school name. I'm going to give Linda. This is my school name, and create. Right. Database has been created successfully. It asks the table we have to create it. So I need only how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns I needed. ID, name, mobile, and course. So here I'm going to give as a 4 columns required. Here I am going to give the table name as let me give as record. Right. You can give any name over here, student registration or any name. I give as a record and click go. Now here we have to fill these boxes. Here I am going to add the column name as first one as ID, type as integer, length as 11. This one always a auto increment, and primary. This one will be the auto increment primary. This field will be required. After that I need a student name, so we have to type as simply name. Select the data type as varchar. Here 255 characters. After that another field is mobile. This one will integer 11. The final one will be course. This one will be the course. Here we have to type select as varchar 250 characters. This is the only thing we have to create the database table, right? If you click save. Right. The table has been created successfully, database table. If you want to change anything else, you just click on the change button and you can change. You will be able to change anything you want. If you click this one, it asks for changing. You can change anything else, right? Now the first task we completed successfully.